So wherever it is that you are right now, whatever point you are at your health, just start. Find some ingredients for hypernourishment that you can handle, that you can do, and start feeding yourself well. If I eat vegan but not mostly raw, will it help my lupus? Possibly. So if you're eating a lot of animal products, a lot of processed foods, then any change you make in the right direction is going to help you. But hypernourishment is about optimizing your nutrition to reverse disease and to get your health back. So the thing you should do, and rather than look for ways not to do my program, just do the protocol. You can learn about it for free and just do it. All right. And on that note, it's really important, guys. The most important thing that you can do for your health is to start. All right. Rather than look for, well, I don't want to do smoothies. Can I just eat beans? Just do what I'm telling you to do. I'm sitting here. I spent 90 minutes with you for free because I want you to do this and take care of yourself. All right. And this works. I'm 16 years lupus free. I've had 2 kids and I'm about to turn 45 in a little over a month. And I feel better than I did in my teens, in my 20s. And I want you to too. So wherever it is that you are right now, whatever point you are at your health, just start. Find some ingredients for hypernourishment that you can handle, that you can do, and start feeding yourself well. If you know stress is one of your major issues, start working on activities to help you with your stress. If you have anxiety, depression, get help with that. If you're not sleeping, let's work on your sleep. But you are the one that's going to figure out how to do this, okay? We get, to work on the one who said their doctor told them they were like a car. Well, we get one vehicle to drive through this life. Each of us gets one vehicle. This is mine. You've got yours. Are you going to drive it into the ground, or are you going to take care of it so that you can get to the farthest destination possible? I want you to get as far as you can go. I don't want you to break down, right? I don't want you to fall apart, but it's up to you. I'm giving you the information. I'm giving you the encouragement, but you are the one that's got to make the decision to start eating better, to start sleeping better, to start talking to yourself and loving yourself better. This is a decision you have to make. And you don't get another shot at this. This is your body. This is your vehicle. And if you want to drive it as far as you can go and to enjoy as much scenery as possible, you're going to have to make the choice to take care of yourself. So please start. Go to the free classes at goodbyelupus.com, learn them. If you want the study guide, get Goodbye Lupus. If you need more help with the emotional work that you want to work on your own, get Goodbye Autoimmune Disease. I poured my heart out into that book on all the emotional work that I do in my group. If you know that you're not going to do this without more help, get more help. Make an appointment with me. Join the group and you can get some of this energy every day for 6 weeks. But whatever it is, you got to start because you're the one that can do this, or you're the one who's going to choose not to. And I just want you to be well.